Ready to supercharge your React Native app with SMS superpowers? First, head over to Twilio and create an account. Then grab your account Send SMS token from the dashboard. Keep these secret. They're like the keys to your SMS kingdom. Now, in your React Native project, install the Twilio Node Helper library using your favorite package manager. This will make interacting with the Twilio API a breeze. Next, let's dive into the code to import the Twilio library and initialize the Twilio client using your account Send SMS token. Create a function to send the SMS. This function will use the Twilio client to send a message to a specified phone number with your desired message body. Remember to use a Twilio verified phone number. Add an input field and button within your React Native app to let the user type in a number and send a message. Connect to your Send SMS function, and voila! Test it out and watch your app send SMS messages like a pro. Now, add some error handling to deal with failed message attempts. You've now successfully integrated Twilio SMS into your React Native app.